Hi everyone! So today I am going to show you how to make these really simple farmhouse Christmas ornaments. I think they're great. They're really easy to make, they're inexpensive, and you can do just about anything you want with the words, and anyone can do them. You start by just getting a little wood slice from a log. I actually bought these from a local seller here in my area, and they were 50 cents each. So you truly can't go wrong. So I got two different kinds. Not quite sure what kind of tree this was. Maybe maple, and this is a birch tree. Now, the bark may fall off as it gets older, but that'll be okay. It'll still just add to the character. And so to begin with this, we're going to just paint the circles. You could easily just write on the wood itself, but it's pretty rough. And so by putting the paint, it just makes it a little smoother, and it just makes it stand out a little bit more. So for this one, I'm just using basic acrylic paint, and we're going to do one in the cream color and then one in the black. So I'll do this one. So it's really up to you if you want to do the circle small or if you want to do it the full size. And for me, when you paint, there's always a paint roll on the edge of your brush. You want to make sure that's on the edge. And then you just sort of push the roll around, and that'll guarantee you a clean edge in a circle. So you can see, I'm just moving the paint roll and then pulling the excess paint into the middle. So you could do this any color as well. I was just sticking with the basics. For the farmhouse style, there's a lot of neutrals. And what I really like about this is you could do any name, any word, whatever means something to you. It's a great way to personalize ornaments. You could do you could put a name on each one. And you could even do the color that the person really likes. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so now I will do the black one. So, and all I'm using is acrylic paint. I think this paint's actually from the dollar store. So again, this one has a bit of a different shape, so I'm going to follow the shape. And this one's a little rougher, so it's a little harder to get that really neat edge. But like I say, these are super easy to make. They look fantastic. And you can put any word you like. You could do believe, merry, bright, happy holidays, love. I always enjoy, I always do ornaments that say faith, love, hope. Those sort of things I always find. It's nice to have something a little inspirational. So you can see with the black one, the edge is, like I said, it's a little rougher. So you just have to work it a bit more. But if you use the rolled paint on the edge, like I was saying, it'll clean that edge up pretty good. I'm planning on doing a few different farmhouse Christmas crafts, farmhouse style Christmas crafts, ornaments this year. So please look for my other videos as well. And I'm actually going to be doing another video using these same wood chips, but doing a different style. So take a look for that. And if you enjoy the video, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe. I'm putting out a video at least once every 2 weeks with some great new craft ideas or some DIY ideas. And you don't want to miss out, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. I'm a mom of 2. I have a daughter who's 8 and a son who's 6, and we live on the east coast of Canada. And Christmas is always super fun at our house. And the kids love to decorate, and they love to help make decorations. This would be a great craft to do with your kids as well. Okay, so there, that one's all painted. So we'll just let those dry and then we'll continue. Okay, so now I've got two that have to paint dry. And so now we'll start to put the words on. It's really simple. I would suggest that you practice on a piece of paper for a couple of times before. And you can use either a paint pen or even just a regular Sharpie, any permanent marker. This is a paint pen, it's silver. And this is just a red Sharpie, so I'll use them both. So for the one with the paint pen, I'm going to use it on the black, and I am going to do the word hope. So I'm just going to practice a couple of times. Try some different styles. You can always look online to see what you like. So I think we'll just give this a go. So there we go. So I have hope and faith. And then for the one with the cream background, I'm going to do Mary. This is a great craft for a beginner or for an experienced crafter. It is really inexpensive, it's fun, it's easy to do. I really, really hope you give this a try. You may be able to cut your own wood discs yourself from just a log that you find in your yard, or you could probably find a local person who's doing it. So we'll give this a try. And the reality is, if you don't like the way your letters turn out, you could always paint over them. It's a really low risk. There we go. Mary. So I have joy and Mary and faith and hope. Now I notice I'm a little off center here, so I'm just going to add a little heart to fill in the gap. So you can always do just that little extra to fix your design. There we go. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to drill a hole through or if I'm just going to glue ribbon on the back to hang them, but I will show you that, and then I will show them displayed up on a tree. Really, really hope you try this. It's a great craft. Get your kids involved. It's a great way to bring that amazing farmhouse style into your home and in for Christmas. Again, please comment if you have any questions. I'll answer you back, and please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Thanks so much.